Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Kesar Peda. On a low flame, add 2 teaspoons butter or pure ghee. Add 3/4 cup condensed milk. Combine well. Add ½ cup milk powder. Stir continuously for no lumps. Add 2 pinches saffron and a pinch of colour in 2 to 3 tablespoons milk. Combine well. Now add ½ cup milk. One teaspoon green cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder, stir to cook till it solidifies. Turn off the flame. Peda dough is ready. Stir for some time. Remove the peda dough in a bowl. Grease your palm with oil or ghee. Make balls. Repeat the same procedure for all pedas. Then gently press with fingertip to flatten it. I'm using stamp to making flower-shaped peda. Grease some ghee. Gently press on the top. Flower-shaped peda is ready. Repeat same procedure for all pedas. Now garnish with saffron and pistachios. Our Kesar Peda is ready. Do try this super delicious peda recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.